Come on. Count and sing. Make believe and play
Dino Puzzle Factory.
Dino Puzzle Factory.
There are 16 bubbles left. It's the color brown. B-R-O-W-N. And 16 puzzle pieces. Get it, Jumpy? It's the color gray. G-R-E-Y. There are 15 bubbles left and 15 puzzle pieces left. There goes Jumpy. It's the color green. G-R-E-E-N. There are 14 bubbles left and 14 puzzle pieces left. You can do it, Jumpy. It's the color orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. There are 13 bubbles left and 13 puzzle pieces left. You got it, Jumpy. It's the color pink. P-I-N-K. There are 12 bubbles left and 12 puzzle pieces left. You got this, Jumpy. It's the color purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. There are 11 bubbles left and 11 puzzle pieces left. We know you can do it, Jumpy. It's the color red. R-E-D. There are 10 bubbles left and 10 puzzle pieces left. There goes Jumpy. It's the color yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. There are 9 bubbles left and 9 puzzle pieces left. You got it, Jumpy. It's the color blue. B-L-U-E. There are 8 bubbles left and 8 puzzle pieces left. Jumpy, you got this! It's the color black. B-L-A-C-K. There are 7 bubbles left and 7 puzzle pieces left. You got it, Jumpy! It's the color white. W-H-I-T-E. There are 6 bubbles left and 6 puzzle pieces left. Look at Jumpy go! That's a triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. There are 5 bubbles left and 5 puzzle pieces left. Way to go, Jumpy! That's a rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. There are 4 bubbles left and 4 puzzle pieces left. Let's go, Jumpy! That's a pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. There are 3 bubbles left and 3 puzzle pieces left. Make it happen, Chompy! That's a hexagon. Hexagon. There are 2 bubbles left and 2 puzzle pieces left. And there goes Chompy. That's a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. There is 1 bubble left and 1 puzzle piece left. Chompy, you can do it! There are 0 bubbles left and 0 puzzle pieces left. Are you able to guess the dinosaur yet? It's a carnivore. That means they eat meat. It also hunts in packs. Did you guess yet? That's right. It's a velociraptor. Wow, you're amazing. Let's spell velociraptor. V-E-L-O C-I-R-A-P-T-O-R. That spells velociraptor. Wow, you're amazing. You solved the Dino Puzzle. Great job. Velociraptor.
You did it! You're amazing! Good job! Thank you! Thank you for helping solve Dino Puzzle Factory!
That was so much fun. Thanks for joining in and helping me solve the Dino Puzzle. I couldn't have done it without your help. See you next time. Velociraptor.